In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social follow buttons on WordPress.com. This is an essential skill for anyone aiming to enhance their website's interactivity and connect more closely with their audience. So let's dive right in and get started on making your site more socially engaging. First off, you'll want to begin by heading over to WordPress.com and logging in. If you're new to this, simply open your preferred browser and type WordPress.com login in the search bar. This will bring up the login page as the first result. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. This is essentially the command center for all your website changes. Look for the option labeled Pages in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on it. This lists all the pages you currently have on your website. Next, select the page where you want to add your social follow buttons. You can do this by clicking on Edit next to the page title. This will open the page editor, allowing you to make changes. If you're using Elementor, click on Edit with Elementor, a handy tool that will provide you with more editing options via its user-friendly interface. In the Elementor editor, head to the search box that appears at the top of your left panel. Type in Button to bring up the button widget. Click on it and drag it to the section of your page where you want these follow buttons to appear. Once you have your button placed, click on it to open its settings menu on the left. Here you'll first want to choose the button type. For this tutorial, go with the default button type, since it's what these social buttons essentially are. Clickable links guiding your visitors to your social media platforms. Now pay attention to the text field. This is where you can customize what appears on your button. Type in something catchy but descriptive, such as "Follow us." Be sure to keep it short and attractive to invite maximum engagement. Right below the text field, you'll find the Link option. Click here to enter the URL of your social media profile, such as your Facebook page, Instagram profile, or Twitter handle. Make sure this link is correct to direct visitors seamlessly to the right social media site. Moving on to the button's ID, this is an advanced feature useful if you are customizing your buttons with CSS. Add a unique identifier here if you plan to stylize it further, or track clicks in a more sophisticated setup. Finally, once you've set up everything to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Publish button. This will make the buttons live on your site for visitors to see and interact with. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added social follow buttons to your WordPress site, thus enhancing its functionality and boosting your social media presence. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful WordPress tips and tricks.